guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, I'm Ophelia, and today guys I'll be showing you how it is I did this ninja bun with a bang. I actually created this look using braided hair. So it was one pack of Canicolon 1B, and I also used some purple expression Canicolon that I had. You just see a little bit of it right here, and there's a little showing in the wrap. So yes guys, before we get into that though guys, remember to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this style, if it is something you would try, and if you would use the same type of hair I use, or any suggestion as to any other hair you'd use instead of the Canicolon. So guys, leave me that comment. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like the video, and of course if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let's get into it guys. So here I have a week-old wash and go guys. I'm not quite ready as yet to wash my hair, so I decided to try a little style in there to last me for about 2 or 3 days until I'm ready to do another wash day. So I added my thermal booster for a bit of moisture and to help me to brush my curls out a bit. So I'll just go ahead to meet the brush there. I am using an old stockings foot to help to get my hair up in place while I apply the gel to my edges. So you realize as I tie, I slide the stockings foot up, and then I'll go ahead to apply some moisture and gel around the edges to allow the hair to settle in that position. I then released my hair again from the stockings foot because I went ahead to add some gel in the middle section as well to help to get the hair in place. I'm now applying some gorilla snot to my edges at the front and the back to allow my hair to hopefully lay. So I just go ahead to brush that in, and then I'll reapply the stockings foot to allow my hair to go up in a high bun. So as I tie to the front and the back, I use my fingers to slide it up into place so that I can go ahead to have that high bun that I'm looking for. Once I've completed that, I'll go ahead to make a bun at the top of my hair, and I'll secure that in place with a scrunchie. So guys, I did off camera add some more gel and edge control to my edges, and I'm just going to go ahead now to secure or tie my hair with a silk scarf to hold my edges down while I complete the look. So now I'm going to add, this is the 1 pack of Canicolon in 1B and a little that I had left over with some purple. So I'm just going to go ahead to secure that to the bun at the top of my head. And then I'll work with one section at a time. So I'll just go ahead to make a twist with this section of the hair. Once I've completed the twist, I just go ahead to wrap that section around the bun, that's my natural bun at the top, and secure it. So I'm now just going to remove the head wrap so that I can complete the look. For the other half that is left, I'm going to split that in two sections. One section will be used to meet the bang at the front of my head, and the other section will be used to complete the wrap. So you'll just have to make your test to see how much hair it is you actually need for the bang. So I wrap it around once to have enough length at the front, and I'll secure that section with a hairpin. Once that is secured, then I'll go ahead to work on the leftover there that I'll go ahead to make another twist and continue to make a wrap around the bun at the top. Went ahead to spray it with my got-to-be glue to keep the ends together, and then I'll stick it in or secure it with a hairpin for the final look. We then move on to completing the bang. So for this section, guys, I'll just go ahead to trim the hair to the length that I need it to fall. Some persons like their bang falling below their eyes or some above. So I'll just go ahead to trim it and adjust it to my face. Once I've adjusted it to my liking, then I'll go ahead with my flat iron at low heat to go ahead to meet the bang. So I just wanted to have a little curve at the end. So just go ahead to flat iron that, and you'll see the look shortly. So that's how I created this look, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the style. It fit me or it not fit me. It's been a while since I've worn a bang, guys, like, because I've been natural now for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, I don't know. But I did do a sewing once that had a bang, so probably the last time I wore a bang was probably about 4 years ago. So cute though. So yes, this is it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Of course, you know how me and the edge control something go already. If you don't know, you can watch my video of things I wish I knew before I went natural. Still I try to find the edge control. So comment below if you know one I can try, guys. But overall, I think this is a good look. What do you think? Yes, so that's where I leave you today, guys. Until the next video, stay safe and bye.